ready, Eddie? We're coming to our left. To our left. Oh, I'm circling around.
You know what?
What?
I had to check. Right? Yeah, well, I don't know. I don't seem to have a whole lot of power here.
If you come in, I'll come in too.
In fact, I don't have. I gotta land.
Okay, that's fine. I'm totally out of your way. I'm out.
Something's definitely
A miss.
a miss.
Wait a minute. You dead, Kenny? Kenny?
Not dead, but
forgotten.
no, I turned one way and it didn't want to turn.
You're clear.
I'm way up high. I'm way out of your way.
I don't know what the heck that was.
Are you having a spectrum moment?
Apparently.
Down all right?
Yeah. Let's see. It wanted to go to the right.